Hi everyone, it's Miranda. How's it going? So I'm back in my bedroom because our perimeter drain is getting done because our house flooded and they're jackhammering on the other side. Couldn't find a quiet room, so here I am in my bedroom. I'm hoping that the sound is okay, and I'm hoping that the light is okay. So yeah, and if you like it better in here, let me know in the comments down below. You never know, change sometimes is good, maybe better, hopefully. So today we are doing Lookfantastic. This is my first time getting Lookfantastic, and it's a sister to Glossybox, which I did not like. So hopefully this is better. I've heard really good things about this, so let's get into it. First of all, if you don't know what Lookfantastic is, it's a monthly subscription. It seems like they're mostly like face creams and, you know, things for your face and stuff like that, and some makeup and stuff like that. So if you just do monthly, it's $25. If you do yearly, it's $20 a month, and it comes out each month. So it's not like a big lump sum, which is kind of cool. So this is what it looks like. Again, Glossybox and Lookfantastic have amazing boxes. Maybe, I don't know. So this is what it looks like inside. And you get a really nice, like, book that tells you all the things you're getting. I think that's a really nice book. So, and they don't put, no, they don't put like any like prices, so I'm gonna put prices up here if I can find them. So let's get into it. Sorry if you can hear things, sorry. Okay, so the first thing I'm seeing is, can't get it out, okay, there we go. An Elle magazine. That thing's thick, it's huge. Not that I read these, but I find most of the time they're just ads and stuff like that. But kind of cool still. And then this is what you get. Alright, I know there was one spoiler, so let's do that spoiler first. And I just noticed it says in here, get ready to steal the spotlight. How cute is that? Okay, so the spoiler is The Ordinary Hydrator and Oil Hyaluronic Acid at 2%. Which is awesome because I've read it's great for dry skin, and I get like, my nose for years and years and years has been so dry. And it doesn't matter how much moisture I scrub it down, or it doesn't matter. It's still dry, it's still flaky, but I heard people do this first, so that's what it looks like. And I think that's a full-size bottle there, so that's cool. And you can put it in the fridge. It has no smell to it, so I'm really excited about this, and if it works, I'll continue to buy this because I hate flaky nose. I hate my flaky nose. So okay, the first thing I am seeing is like that purple stuff like all over this bottle. Cleansing foam, and that's pretty much all it says about that. Let's see if we can find it in here. Removes makeup and impurities without stripping the skin. This is a gentle foaming cleanser. Let's see if I can get the thing. Contains white lupin to energize the skin and detoxify copper gluconate. They're just getting fancy with words here. You know, it just means your skin will be clear, and yeah. There we go. Wants to focus on my face. Not sure I'm gonna open this. I might put it in a giveaway just because I've got that really big one from FabFitFun going on. That's gonna last forever, so yeah. Next one is The Ritual of Sakura Soothing Hand Balm. That's what that looks like. And this one relieves dry, tired hands, harnesses the power of shea butter and organic rice milk. It's very light and smelly. Might keep it, might not. Not that I don't like it, it's just very particular about my smells, but... So the next one I'm seeing here is Madara. I've actually seen this company around lately. And it is an anti-pollution charcoal and mud repair mask. Oh. It's so little compared to the box. So little. So little. I think some of them are like deluxe sizes and some of them are like full sizes in this box. So apply to clean skin, leave on for 5 to 10 minutes. I love masks. Love. Can't smell anything because it's got a cap on it. But I like to. I want to. Okay. The next thing. Ooh. Morphe. And it's a highlighter. Ooh, I'm excited. That's awesome. Yay. My first Morphe. Ooh. See if I can get a good swatch out of this. Come on. You can adjust. Put my face out of it. There we go. So it's kind of like it's a light in color. You can kind of see it, but that's a really nice highlighter. It's very creamy. Oh yeah, I like that. It's the color I'd wear, so that's awesome. And then an EOS Evolution of Smooth Lip Balm. And I love this company. I actually just threw one out because it has been in my purse forever and get all gunky and gross from the stuff in your purse. So this is awesome. Perfect timing. Can't get it open. I always have problems with these. Why? And it's perforated, so I don't know. Do 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 do. Do do do. Oh, got it. And mine is, I don't know. Did it say on this little thing? Strawberry sorbet. Oh, it smells like strawberry sorbet. Oh, okay. So this one I'm the most excited about because I mean those are like $4 or $5 at our Walmart. So that's exciting. Overall, Lookfantastic is definitely better than Glossy. I don't know why I'm sweating. I'm so hot. It's supposed to get really warm today, so I'm really excited. I love when the temperature ends up 15. I'm like, oh, finally spring is here. So overall, again, I am pretty happy with everything I got in here. The mud mask, the lip balm, the hand cream, and the Ordinary. I am definitely, and if there's anything in this box you want to see reviewed, you know, like the Ordinary. I didn't realize that's glass. That's nice. Let me know in the comments down below because I will definitely do that. I will be planning on pretty much using everything except for maybe the foam cleanser, which again, I've decided that all like the things that I'm not going to use, I'm still going to be sending like the bags and stuff like that to the women's shelter, but stuff like this probably won't keep for like over a year or so. So I'm going to do a first, when I get to 100 subscribers, So definitely make sure you are subscribed and like the videos. So whenever we get to there, I will be doing a draw, whoever gets this stuff. So I'm sure everybody will like what they get. You better, right? All right, so that was my glossy box. No, look fantastic. Look fantastic. I think I'm gonna keep going with it. So far it looks good. Everybody, I've seen videos of last boxes and stuff like that, and they've all seemed to have been pretty good, so I'm pretty happy with it. I'll keep going with that. I have a lot of things coming up. It just seems like shipping right now has been a problem for people. So I have, what do I have? BoxyCharm, Ipsy. My cat finally decided he was allowed in today because it's the bedroom. Yeah, so I have a lot of things coming up, so stay tuned, and again, let me know what do you think of this in here. Yeah, hope everybody's having a great day. I hope it's sunny and warm where you are too, and we will see you next time. Thanks again, guys. Bye.